Zulaikha's story. The story of Zulaikha, also known as the story of Yusuf, Joseph, and Zulaikha, holds significance in Islamic tradition. It is derived from the Quran and offers moral lessons and guidance for believers. The narrative revolves around the relationship between Zulaikha, the wife of an influential Egyptian minister, and Yusuf, a young man known for his beauty and righteousness. Zulaikha was captivated by Yusuf's exceptional beauty and fell deeply in love with him. Despite her status and position, Zulaikha found herself consumed by her feelings for Yusuf. However, Yusuf, being a man of great integrity and devotion to God, rejected her advances and remained steadfast in his faith.